Have you heard about skin cycling? It's a skincare method that alternate products like exfoliants and retinoids to optimize skincare benefits and reduce sensitivities. I'm Alice, Education Director at Lancaster Monaco, and today I'm going to show you how to refine, renew and repair your skin with our 4-night skin cycling routine. Night 1. Exfoliation night. Do you see dead skin cells and impurities on your skin? Our softening cream to foam cleanser is the perfect gentle exfoliant for a refresh. Wet your kabuki brush, then gently apply the cleanser all over your face. Your skin will be glowing. Night 2. Retinoid night. Use our Golden Leaf Retinoid range to smooth and firm. Our Golden Leaf Tightening Serum and Sculpting Cream is your go-to for boosting collagen and elastin production while reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Nights 3 and 4. Recovery nights. Recover with deep hydration and repair. These nights are your skin's time to hydrate and repair. Use the 365 liposomal cellular essence lotion paired with the comforting balm mask to deeply nourish and restore your skin's barrier. It's a crucial step to let your skin breathe and rejuvenate. Repeat this cycle for 4 weeks and watch your skin transform. And remember, your morning routine is just as important. Cleanse, repair, treat, and protect. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.